Hello, I'm here reporting from what I guess you could call my home studio. Today, I got this email from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services telling me that it will investigate the federal government's response to the coronavirus outbreak, which is of course key to our state, which was sort of ground zero where the first death from this virus was recorded. In an email today, spokesperson from the Health and Human Services Office of Inspector General Tizia Williams tells me, we have plans to conduct a number of reviews regarding Health and Human Services response and planning efforts. The details of these reviews are still being coordinated at this time.
Thank you, Madam President.
It was just yesterday that Washington's senior Senator Patty Murray sent a letter to the Inspector General calling for just such an investigation. Her request cited the federal government's limited supply of coronavirus tests, long delays in analyzing samples, and a lack of reporting results. When we spoke to the senator last week, she criticized what she called misinformation that the FDA and the CDC gave her starting in late January.
We had been assured by CDC and FDA from the end of January that tests were being sent to our states. 2 weeks later, we find out that they weren't. A few weeks later, they're saying that we're going to have 1 million. There wasn't. Then the Vice President is telling us that there's 1.5 million. The Secretary of Health Education, 4 million. None of that true.
Again, the Inspector General's office confirms to King 5 today that it will investigate. Health and Human Services includes both agencies, both the Food and Drug Administration and the Centers for Disease Control, the CDC, both agencies that Murray claims misled her office about their preparedness and response to this outbreak. The White House has previously said that this is purely politics and Democratic senators are simply trying to score points here. We'll see what the apolitical Inspector General determines in its report, but we don't know how long yet that process will take. I'm Chris Ingalls reporting.